Guys, welcome back to another video with your main man, Smooth Marky. And before I get into today's video, guys, I do just want to say, if you have not already subscribed, please make sure to go ahead and smash that subscribe button, guys, because we are so very close to 200,000 subscribers. Once I hit 200,000 subscribers, I plan on doing something very special for you guys, so please make sure to go ahead and slam that red subscribe button. But in today's video, guys, I'm going to be showing you guys the Bendy and the ink machine dimension. And if you guys are actually wanting to head to this dimension, all you're going to need is 13 oak planks. And you want to place 4 of them on the ground, just like that, guys. Then you just want to go ahead, jump on up, and then place 1, 2, 3, 4 of them on this side. You might want to go ahead and look around, make sure you don't see any suspicious activity, no ink spots anywhere. Oh my god, is that sheep about to fall off into that big hole? That would be crazy, guys. That would be pretty crazy. But let's go ahead and jump on down, and let's place 1, 2, 3, and then go ahead and place 2 in the middle, and then 1 on this edge, and boom, you are finished. Wow, guys, that looks absolutely amazing. Now all you have to do is light this baby up. Boom. Wow, I hope you're wearing your sunglasses when you do this, because that is blinding. Let's go ahead and head on into this dimension now. Whee! Oh my god, that time we actually landed it. Hopefully this loads up quick. Oh my god. Where are we, guys? Whoa. This must be his house. I can tell that he's really modernized though, guys. What's inside this room? This must be like his little office, guys, where he comes in to like listen to music and just like turn that item frame. And then what is this? This is his downstairs. I like looking at downstairs. Oh my god. What? There's no downstairs. Well, I cannot believe he just trolled me, guys. Let's go ahead and troll our pig, though. You want to look at the downstairs pig? Watch this. Boom. Oh my god. I guess he trolled us by putting his big old pig butt in our face. Wow. I cannot believe that, guys. But whoa, what is this? Oh my god, this must be the ink machine, guys. This must be where he gets all of his ink from. I should probably blow that up, but I'm actually going to go ahead and look for him. Where could he be, guys? He's more than likely somewhere in this place. Let's go ahead and try to go back and see if we can find him. I'm almost positive that he would be in this house. If he's not in this house, I'm just going to blow the whole thing up. That's what I'm going to do, guys. But hopefully we can find him. Oh my god, there he is. Whoa, he's wearing a diaper. A man diaper. Boom, take that. Oh my god, he's not fighting us back. Boom, take that. Whoa, what is your problem? I guess he don't want to fight, guys. He's sad about something. Are you sad that you can't go up this staircase? Oh, I'm so sorry. You know what? I'm going to try to burn his way through. Now this is taking too long. Let's go ahead and try to fist our way through. No, that's going to take too long. Let's go ahead and just blow it up, guys. Oh my god, there's a fire on the ground. Let's go ahead and blow it up and get him up that staircase. Boom. Oh my god. Whoa, where are you going, little buddy? I guess he wants to venture outside. You can't venture outside. Go ahead and go up the staircase and live your life. I guess he just wants to live his life outside. Are you much happier now? Come on, cheer up, buddy. It's beautiful out here in this dimension, isn't it? Yeah, that's it. Now he's happy, guys. Now he's really happy. He's probably going to go see his family, or maybe just go jump off a bridge. I'm not really for sure, guys, but let me know what you guys thought about this absolute amazing Minecraft Park Edition dimension. And as always, guys, if you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time, thanks for watching, guys. Bye.